everyone. Do you like this painting of Lord Ganesha? And would you like to see how it was done? Well then, stay with me till the end and I am going to show you exactly how it was painted. Here I am using a cold press watercolor paper pad and a flat brush for the initial water wash. I have now applied water to the whole surface of the paper. I am working in watercolors here, and so I am applying the basic layer working into the wet surface of the paper. I'll be working from light to dark initially using mostly the wet in wet technique. If you want to know more about the various watercolor techniques that can be used, I have two videos on my channel covering almost 16 different techniques. The links to these videos have been given in the description below. All the techniques have been explained in detail there. Using the wet in wet technique, I will now proceed to work on this painting. Like I said before, I am working from light to dark. That is, the lighter shades are applied first, gradually adding the darker shades as per the values. Let us then proceed in this way now. Now with a very fine brush, I am starting work on some of the finer details. I am now adding some of the background colors so as to make the main figure pop out. I'll be blurring some of the edges with plain water so that we get a combination of soft and hard edges. And so in this way I'll be working on additional layers, working from light to dark, wetting the surface again a little bit in between if it has become dry, and also softening some of the edges for a better look. Let's then proceed in this way till the end. And now I'm adding some background detailing just to make it a little more interesting. That's it, our painting is done. If you like this video, do subscribe, like and share, and do press the bell icon for notifications. Do leave your valuable comments below and click on the end screens for more videos. Thank you.